Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Immerse yourself in a burst of colors with our vibrant hall decor ideas in our latest YouTube video. From lively palettes to bold combinations, we explore diverse ways to infuse energy and personality into your living space. Dive into the world of colorful furniture, accent walls, and accessories that can transform your hall into lively and inviting heaven. Discover tips on balancing hues, incorporating patterns, and using color psychology to create a harmonious and visual stunning atmosphere. Our video guides you through playful design elements, inspiring you to embrace the power of color in home decor. Join us on this chromatic journey to redefine your hall as a lively and expressive focal point in your home. I hope these ideas are useful for you and you can get some beautiful, amazing ideas for your hall decor. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.